Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to budget with YNAB Easy method. Start by understanding YNAB 4 rules. First, give every dollar a job, assigning it to a specific category like groceries or rent. Second, embrace your true expenses by saving for those larger, less frequent costs, such as car maintenance or annual subscriptions. Third, roll with the punches, meaning you adjust your budget as life happens, moving money between categories when needed. Finally, age your money, aiming to spend money that is at least 30 days old. Once your accounts are linked, categorize all incoming funds immediately. This means every dollar you receive gets assigned a purpose. Start by funding your essential categories, such as housing, utilities, and groceries. Then, move on to your savings goals, like an emergency fund or a down payment. Finally, allocate funds for discretionary spending, ensuring every dollar has a clear role before you spend it. True expenses are those non-monthly costs that often catch us off guard. Think about car insurance premiums, annual subscriptions, or holiday gifts. Identify these, create specific categories for each, and then divide the total annual cost by 12. This gives you a monthly savings target. Consistently contribute this amount to each category, building up a fund so you are prepared when these expenses arrive. Life is unpredictable, so be prepared to roll with the punches. If an unexpected expense comes up, simply move money from a less critical category to cover it. This flexibility is key to YNAB success. Regularly review your budget, perhaps once a week, to ensure it reflects your current reality. Ultimately, strive to age your money, meaning you are spending money that has been in your budget for at least 30 days, providing a buffer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.